grass too, I think.
Yeah, me too.
So cute, lovely.
What did they drink? Maybe
Water off.
Maybe water.
They're herbivores. That means like they eat plants and stuff. It's hard to do with one hand.
That is adorable. Wait, I found it funny.
Too adorable. Here, I'm gonna put the phone right here.
What should we name
Oh,
it?
there it goes.
What should we name it?
Well, don't name it or else we're gonna get attached to it.
We can't name it yet because we don't know it's a girl or boy. It's coming out! It's coming out!
Stop, Carter. Don't move the chair. Here you go, Buzzley. Put all that lettuce right there. Carter, stop it.
I'm gonna see it.
No, it's behind the fridge. Carter, don't spit in the ground. Gino. Carter. I think this piece is like, oh, here it comes, here it comes. It's so cute.
We need more than this.
There's 2 white feet, not 1.
I don't know if it's a girl or boy.
Well,
Maybe it's a girl.
its ears are just so cute. No, Carter.
Only the paw has white.
Well, one of them like is all white, and the other one like it's like a little toe that's like. Wait, I don't think they even eat that part. I can't tell. Oh, are you okay, Carter? Oh, it's moving.
Oh my god.
Oh, there it goes. You hungry? Oh God, it's coming near me. Stay, please.
Okay.
I'm scared. No, don't move it. It's stupid. Stupid. I don't know if it has like. Carter, stop it. Carter, don't move it. Because it might get scared and it's gonna go behind the fridge.
Don't go to the grass.
Because why did you move it? It could have gotten scared and bit me. Because look, there's a little hole right here.